Hi, welcome to this channel, and in this tutorial I'll be taking you through step by step on how to make 3D on CorelDRAW. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Alright, without any delay, let's get into the tutorial. So first thing first, this is our board. Alright, so let's create our logo. Alright, so now we press Ctrl E, then we save our document and make sure it is saved to PNG. I already have mine PNG here. So once you just type P, then you see PNG, then press enter, then export. Then once it's export, make sure it's in transparency. So click on OK. Yes, that's good. So now you head into your Photoshop. So you head into your Photoshop in order to complete the 3D text. First thing, we have our 3D template. Alright, so now what we need to do is to double click this place. Yes, you see the raw file, you can see it here. You can see this, what is here as applied here by double clicking this particular place. You can see. Alright, so let's go back to that place. Alright, so what I need to do now is to download Corel.png to Photoshop. So you drag it here, so then you make sure that it is centralized to it, so that we can get a good result. Right here, you right click on this place, then you press delete layer, then yes. Alright, so you have it. So now what you're going to do now is cancel it here, then it's going to save changes to the Adobe Photoshop document, blah blah blah, before closing. Then you click on yes. Alright, so automatically bam, you have your design. Can you see that? So this is as easy as that. You can see the before and the after. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe and share this video to your loved ones. See you in the next one.